I'm going blade color.
No, they okay like this.
No, let me carry. I'm not moving the air. As in the down. As in the air up here.
What's that?
Combination, face prime. Make your powder number.
guys, so on my way back I decided to come check on Vera. I'm sure you guys already know Vera by now. Not all of you actually, but some of you. So I have her here with me. Show your face, Joe.
Hello.
Look at her fine face.
Don't mind how.
She's enjoying husband's money. So I've shown her the picture of what I asked for, and this is the makeup. This is the final look.
I think you look beautiful.
I look beautiful
Yes.
because I'm a fine girl.
Wait, the only thing I just noticed
Because I'm a
is...
fine girl, right?
That's true.
So,
I swear, I love the
okay,
makeup.
so just review the makeup and let me know what you think.
I think the brows are too big.
The brows are too big.
Yes. And the lashes, they are not glued very well.
When I was coming, I knew the lashes wanted to fall off.
What did you now do?
I was feeling it that the lashes wanted to fall off, and I was like, God, these lashes should better stay in place. I don't know. This one is ringing. Go and answer that call fast. I don't know how. I don't know how she glued the lashes, and seriously. So the eyebrows are too big. One.
Yes.
Secondly,
the lashes.
The lashes are not properly glued.
Yep.
Then.
And your shadows.
My eyeshadows.
Yes. See.
It's not smooth or
It's
something.
it's not the way it is in the picture.
Exactly.
Yes.
Although she told me she doesn't have the exact color that was just in the picture.
Why won't she have it?
I
And
wonder.
she's a makeup artist.
I wonder. So I told her to use the closest. That she has. Then what do you think about my highlight pop?
No, your bronzer. No, it's your bronzer. See the nose bronzer. See the bronzer on the nose.
Oh my God.
Jeez.
Is this one that is very funny? This one.
Yes, the one by the lips.
She
tried.
coated
And
my entire lips with the highlights. And
The lipstick is something else.
popping. The lipstick is not
I
even
think she didn't
close
add
to
lip gloss or something
at all. The lipstick is not close to what
at all. This is
we
a
have
dried
in the
lipstick.
picture. It is completely different.
But you still look beautiful.
Because
Yes.
I'm a fine girl.
Fine girl, come, fine girl.
No amount of bad makeup can take my shine.
Wait, is there no wing? Did she not do wing for you?
She did though.
I'm not seeing anything.
When you watch the full video, you will see when she did it.
Okay.
No, wait, you
Wait.
see when she did it? She actually did winged eyeliner, and I don't know.
Oh, this lashes is
disappeared.
something else.
It's canopy.
I'm telling you.
Canopy eyelashes.
Wow.
Oh, so
Well, she tried though. How much did you pay?
1.5.
Wow.
But guys, it's really cheap. I didn't know makeup is that cheap.
No, it is. It is.
1.5 for makeup.
But by weekend, I don't think it will be like that though. To be expensive, way too expensive. Because you know you are going to a party. So where did you tell her you are going to?
I said I'm doing a photo shoot.
Oh, for your birthday or what? Oh, by this time of the day. Okay. That's acceptable though. And she allowed you filmed.
Yes, I thought I was going to film the whole
Process.
I didn't film her face. I didn't show her face at all.
Okay.
So I just thought I'll film the whole process. She was like, no problem. They were even
She'd
filming
have
too.
been so happy.
She has girls, so 3 girls that is learning from her. One of the
Okay.
girls too was recording their own video. And yeah, I don't know
That's
why
nice.
she's hiding her face.
I'm not
anyways.
looking beautiful.
Who told you you're not looking good? She's looking good. Don't mind her. But you guys already know how you saw for my last video, because I think this is going to be my next video. I think it will be out by Friday. I'm not sure.
You're looking beautiful.
If I am able to edit it and post it on Friday, then you'll see this video on Friday.
That
If
would be
not,
nice. Friday will be better.
Friday will be better, yes.
So by weekend, you have to do something else.
Yes. So this is Vera that you saw for my other video.
Yes,
and she told
so
me she
I'm
had
Vera.
subscribers from my channel. I'm so proud of you guys. I'm so proud of you guys.
Thank you.
That you
thank
actually
you,
responded
thank you.
and you went to subscribe to our channel. I am so proud of you.
Thank you very
So-
much.
So guys, this is the finished look. I had to come out so that you guys can really see what this makeup looks like and you see what I asked for. So what do you guys think? Like, I want you guys to be the judge. I want you to be the judge. What do you think about this makeup? Tell me in the comment section. Does it look like what I actually asked for? That's it. And this makeup cost me 1,500 naira. Like, it's shocking. I never knew makeup was that cheap. If you pay cheap, you get cheap. If you pay cheap, you get cheap. If you pay cheap, you get cheap. That's what I just know. And I feel like this roadside makeup artist, it's not like they are really that bad, but I feel their problem is getting the right products, and then they are finishing like a perfect, giving their clients a perfect finishing. I think that's just the problem. And the eyelashes is falling off. I don't know what she did. Like, if I was actually wearing this to an event, I wonder, it is falling off. The entire look is not that bad. I really can't criticize her completely because sincerely it's not that bad, but I don't understand what's going on here. I don't really understand the highlights here. I don't understand all of that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Rate the makeup artist over 10 in the comment section, and let me know if you like videos like this. Make your video request in the comment section, and I'll try as much as possible to bring the video to you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Beg, I'll not come and go and die.